In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning animations in Canva that instantly make your designs look more professional, engaging, and eye-catching. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, or marketing graphics, animations in Canva can completely transform your content. The best part is, you don't need any design experience at all. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free in just a few seconds. After logging in, you'll land on the Canva home screen where you can see all your recent designs, templates, and projects. From here, click on any file of your choice. This can be an existing design you're already working on, or you can open a new design using one of Canva's templates. Once your design opens, decide which text or element you want to animate. Click directly on the text you want to bring to life. When the text is selected, you'll notice a toolbar appear at the top of the editor. In that top toolbar, click on the Animate option. This is where all the animation magic happens. After clicking Animate, you'll see different animation styles. But what we want to focus on is creating a custom animation. So go ahead and click on Create an Animation. This allows you to manually control how your text or element moves on the screen. Now, Canva will guide you through the animation process. To animate the text, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click and drag the text in the direction you want it to move. As you drag, you'll see a path appear. This path shows exactly how the text will animate when played. You can experiment with different directions and distances until it looks just right. Once the motion is set, you can adjust the speed of the animation. Use the speed slider to make the animation slower for a smooth, elegant effect, or faster for a more energetic and dynamic feel. Take a moment to preview the animation and fine-tune it until you're happy with how it looks. When everything looks perfect, click on Done to finalize the animation. That's it. You've successfully created a stunning custom animation in Canva. You can repeat these steps for other text elements or graphics in your design to create a cohesive animated look. Animations like this can really help your content stand out and keep viewers engaged. And that's how easy it is to create stunning animations in Canva. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials, software tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.